Hey everyone, so this is what we have created, GenHub. From here you can generate some AI characters, and around those AI characters you can also generate some posts and videos. So let us give it a prompt. A schoolgirl in a pink t-shirt would be okay. Mm, let's hit the generate button. Now it will be generating an AI character based on this prompt. And as we have named the character as well, all these data would be stored on IPFS related to the character. So let's wait for the generation. Okay, so it has so this is how our model looks like. We can also fine-tune the model based on its features, but yeah, that will take some more time, so I'll be like moving forward with the create account thing. Create account will actually generate a token bound account, that is ERC6551 account. Around this model it will be minting the model as NFT, and will be creating a token bound account with that thing. And yeah, once a token bound account is created, we can generate some posts and videos with that model, and those posts and videos will be stored as NFT under that token bound account. If we have a look on the smart contract itself, it's imported is ERC6551 account and registry thing. And on this model account generation, this create model will be implementing the content add gen. So add gen is something that is calling this poster APIs. Okay, so TBA token bound account, token bound AI account is created, it says. Now if we move over to all accounts, after a little bit of reloading, we'll be able to see our newly created account over here as well. Yeah, it is. So it's Hinata. Now I'll be copying this token bound account address. So it's a token bound account. I'll be going here for the post. Okay, so in the post I've pre-filled few of the details in order to save some time. It's Mountain Dew, a fizzy cold drink, and in the images I have added, I guess my battery is low. Okay, so let's have a look at the image. So this is the image. Along with this white background, I have added this thing in the tooling. So let's wait for this as well. It's generated. We can see like this model is promoting this Mountain Dew, and if we have a closer look at the output, it is using the logo in the background as well. And yeah, this is also using the features and some of the catchy caption. Now if I hit this publish content button, it will be minting out this image on chain as an NFT, and will be storing that in the token bound account. So yeah, it asks me for the signature for the same thing. And this model generation and the image generation, both of these things takes place using the chainlink functions. I've written this JavaScript of the calling of the API endpoint over here, and if you have a look, I'm using this 1068 subscription ID. We have it over here, and we have this router don ID, all of the stuff. And once the request is fulfilled, I will be getting this fulfillment request callback from the Oracle, and that will be minting out this model minted on chain, which we can like later capture with using the graph. It's content published to token mode account. And yeah, now if I will moving forward to checking out the create video thing, I will be again replacing this. Okay, it's something else in my clipboard. I'll be just copying this token mode account address and pasting this over here. And if I hit this generate button, this will be calling the API running on my local. Yes, so this video gen API wasn't deployable on Python Anywhere, so we are hosting this on our local, and like the other two APIs are being called from the smart contracts itself. And this API call would be taking us like a few minutes, so let's follow that as well. And also these APIs can be found on the GitHub repo as well. If we look into this Python APIs, all of the APIs are publicly available along with the code itself. So guys, this took us like around 45 minutes. I'll probably turn down the video. Let's have a look at the AI content that is generated.
Do you want to keep on going and going? Then Mountain Dew is the drink for you. With its fizzy cold taste, this drink will
So yeah, this is the AI image that we have recently generated, and you can see this image is speaking up in favor of Mountain Dew. It's kind of like a promotional ad, and this is something that we have generated earlier. So we can also click on this download video to um,
Do you want to
kind
keep
of
on
download the video, and I'm not sure if you guys are able to hear this video out or not. So for POC, here is the generated audio file. It's a 11 seconds video, and so it's 11 seconds audio file that is recently created. Okay, if I click on this publish content, okay, so it's again gonna do the whole process of the create post. Let's move on forward. It will be asking me for a transaction. Yeah, it's asking, so I'll be turning this thing out probably. Now if I wanna test out and to see like the content inside any of these character images, I can like go to this content page, click on here and click on fetch. It will be fetching like all the content inside that token mode account. Now if I go to the smart contract again, it says it has like a few events over here: model account created, listed for sale, model purchased, and these are fired from whenever the create model is completed. It emits an event, and the same goes for the other two as well. And if you have a look at this model gen, whenever Oracle fulfills the request, event is shooted out, and the same for the image at gen. Now we are using the graph over here to like ping on all of these events, but I wanted to display all of these on this analytics tab, but unfortunately graph doesn't support subgraphs on Polygon Mumbai, so I just gotta run all the things on my local just okay. So let's have a look on that. It's substreams, and yeah, this is the main file, and so it's a Rust code that is used to capture the events using the substreams. This is the model account created event, and yeah, this one, and then another two we can see model listed for sale, model purchased, and all have their own TBA, new ID, new model owner, and for this TBA price, model ID for listed for sale, and for the creation thing, model ID and TBA. It are the attributes that we are firing from here whenever the event is shooted, and other things like block time, block number, index hash, and other sort of stuff. If we take a look at the schema file, yeah, here's the schema. We can see like all the things that we have displayed over there. From there, here we are catching the things up. We'll be like putting the things on this schema. We also have a make file to just like lesser down the code that we'll be writing. We have this build.rs, and for the substreams we have all of these YAML files that are doing this stuff and calculating. We have written the initial code blocks as this one everywhere out. Okay, so this is it for the demo. I guess like I have covered up everything in this video that we have in our project. And yeah, also one more thing, okay, so I tried deploying this project on Avalanche chain as well. If I just change out the network, yeah, so we are using ERC6551 account standard from Penata, and we are using it on ERC EVM 0.8.20. so if I go to this deployment page and enter the chain ID and try deploying this contract on Fuji network, yeah, this one. So it's gas estimation error or something like that. Whatever it is, it's because of this EVM version, I guess. So this is to tell you that this whole project will be supported on Avalanche whenever Avalanche is like ready to support the this version of EVM. So yeah, this is up for this video. Thank you, and hopefully you like this project, guys.